Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through relationship challenges alongside the amazing Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, and Coach Natalie, which I am honored to be a part of this team. By the way, I welcome you to today's topic. And it's not a topic that we normally want to hear, but there's always a silver lining at the end. And this topic refers to when you need to simply let go. I've been able to synthesize it to 5 signs, even though there's so much more signs. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to concentrate on these 5 signs that it's really time to move on. And when is that? First and foremost, obviously, after using your coach's services, after doing everything that you've been told to do. Sometimes by the time you come to With My Ex Again, the damage is too big. Sometimes it's just impossible. Sometimes you haven't done the work correctly. Whatever it might be, there is a moment that you must think about. It is simply time to let go. And we never want to hear this, but let's talk a little bit about it. So, number 1, when is a time to really let go without any type of question? When the relationship was toxic, when you're dealing with a narcissist, when it's in a situation that there's been physical, emotional abuse. There is no way that these type of relationships have happy endings. There's a lack of communication. It's argumentative at all times. It is a very, very difficult challenge. And I usually suggest to my clients, just let it go. Just let it go. The second one, I believe, is your own inner signs. When you are obsessed 100% with checking your phones. Did he text me? Did he not text me? Is she reaching out? Is she not reaching out? 1 week passes, 2 weeks passes, 3 weeks passes, no texts go unanswered. The accountability letter got you nowhere. No response, nothing, zilch, cartwheels, everything you did, you were not able to get an emotion out of them or a reaction. It's time to let go. This person literally has given up. This person is just not interested. They're not reaching out. They're not even giving you the tiniest of hopes. Why hang on? Just let it go. We're tying in number 3 again with number 2 up to a certain extent. When we have done everything by the book, when we have, once again, reach out to them, the accountability letter, the texting, sending them gifts, doing what have you to grab their attention, posting things on Facebook to showcase our strength, only to get blocked, only to be completely blocked from their lives. There is very little hope for a relationship like this. Just let go. This next one, which is number 4, is probably one of the most excruciating one. And it has to do simply because of the fact that your ego is involved. And it's smash. It's just yells back to you, look what happened. They moved on. They're in a relationship. They're publicly a couple. They want nothing to do with you. They are happy. They literally and genuinely and authentically moved on. Do you really want to position yourself as part of a 3-ring circus? You don't. You just need to know that there is a time and place, and there's certain times that by the time they moved on, there was too much damage done. Be graceful. Be masculine. Show your integrity. Just walk away. Let it go. Number 5 is when you realize that it wasn't even love. And this happens to a lot of people, by the way. We think that we are so in love. We think that, oh my gosh, this is it. This is my world. I love. And what it really is codependency. And we feel that no one else is going to be able to feel their steps. And the reason is because we haven't been able to literally look what's in ourselves and clean up our own emotional mess. There's always a silver lining, though. You have position yourself in such a place of strength at this point. You've done everything that you were supposed to do. You focused on yourself, your personal transformation. You're the best version of yourself. You are now prepared to really go out and meet that person that can be there for you. And that person is a lucky person because they're going to get to really take advantage of the new you, of the new and improved you, of the best version of you. Just let it go. You will look back and you will say to yourself at some point, it's okay. It doesn't hurt anymore. It's okay. And new and amazing opportunities open up and countless opportunities to fall in love all over again. Please book a session with me and allow me to share the wealth of experience of letting go while maintaining your integrity by being graceful, by not being totally immersed in hurt. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. I will look at each and every one of them and will respond to them as they come in. Remember, one thing that is very, very important, at least to your coach, Abby, your success is my success. We can do this together. Until the next time.